Waterless car wash saves water, cleans effectively anywhere, protects paint, and keeps your car spotless anytime. My today's video is about top 5 best waterless car wash that's are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Magic Shield Waterless Car Wash. This waterless graphene car spray delivers impressive protection and shine with minimal effort. Its advanced graphene formula creates a durable nanobarrier that helps guard your vehicle against UV damage, light scratches, and oxidation, outperforming traditional waxes. Application couldn't be easier, just spray, wipe, and buff for a smooth, streak-free finish in minutes. The high gloss, wet look shine instantly enhances color depth and reflections, making your car look freshly detailed every day. One of its standout features is the hydrophobic, self-cleaning effect, which repels water, mud, and grime, keeping your vehicle cleaner for longer and reducing wash time. Versatile and safe for paint, glass, wheels, plastic, and metal, this single spray offers full vehicle protection. With professional-grade results achievable at home, it's an excellent choice for both car enthusiasts and everyday drivers who want lasting shine and convenience. Now our second product is Meguiar's Waterless Car Wash. The 3D Waterless Car Wash is a convenient and effective solution for keeping vehicles clean without the need for soap or water. This easy spray-on detailing formula lifts dirt and grime safely, allowing you to wipe away messes without scratching the surface. It's ideal for quick cleanups at home, in the garage, or on the go when traditional washing isn't possible. The formula leaves behind a clean, streak-free finish with a natural shine, making your vehicle look freshly washed in minutes. Versatile and reliable, it works great on cars, RVs, motorcycles, and even boats. The large 1-gallon size offers excellent value, providing plenty of product for regular use or multiple vehicles. Perfect for drivers who want a fast, eco-friendly cleaning option, this waterless car wash saves time, conserves water, and delivers consistent, professional-looking results every time. Our third product is Aero Cosmetics Waterless Car Wash. This waterless wash and wax truly lives up to its reputation as a premium, all-in-one detailing solution. Designed to clean and protect in one easy step, it gently lifts dirt while leaving behind a non-stick, UV protective coating on virtually all vehicle surfaces. The spray-on, wipe-dry formula makes it perfect for use anywhere, parking lots, garages, apartments, or RV parks, without the need for water. What sets it apart is its aircraft-quality wax, trusted for decades by aviation professionals and organizations worldwide. The water-based, eco-friendly formula is alcohol and ammonia-free, making it safe for both users and surfaces inside and out. It works equally well as a waterless wash or a wax as you dry product after a traditional wash. With generous product sizes and quality microfiber towels included, this kit offers outstanding value and professional-level results for cars, boats, and RVs. Now number 4, Aero Cosmetics Waterless Car Wash. This waterless car wash and wax kit is a game-changer for cleaning large vehicles efficiently and safely. Designed with a patented two-sided pad, one wet and one dry, it allows you to wash and wax simultaneously, cutting down time and effort. The kit's innovative design works with an extension pole, giving you the reach and leverage needed to clean tall vehicles like trucks, RVs, and SUVs without climbing ladders. Its waterless formula means you can wash anywhere, anytime, without restrictions, saving water while protecting your vehicle's finish. The system is fast, safe, and user-friendly, delivering professional results at home or on the road. Perfect for those who want a hassle-free, eco-friendly cleaning solution, this kit combines convenience, versatility, and effectiveness, making vehicle maintenance easier than ever. And our last choice is Wlsinjl Waterless Car Wash. The Spotless Car Wash Resin system is a revolutionary solution for achieving a spotless, streak-free finish on any vehicle. Using advanced deionization technology, it removes minerals and impurities from water, preventing water spots and leaving cars, motorcycles, RVs, boats, and even airplanes gleaming. Its mixed-bed deionized resin effectively eliminates calcium, iron, chlorine, and other ions, producing ultra-pure water for a flawless wash. The durable resin filter can handle 1,800 to 2,000 TDS before needing replacement, making it highly efficient for repeated use. Designed to save time and effort, the system allows your vehicle to air dry naturally, eliminating the need for towel drying. The kit comes complete with all necessary components, including resin filters, duplex purifier, spray nozzle, adapters, and tools, making assembly quick and simple. Perfect for enthusiasts and professionals alike, this water purification system ensures safe, eco-friendly, and premium quality washes that enhance the shine and longevity of your vehicle's finish. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.